Hi, welcome back. My name is Emelies, and for today I have a Valentine's card featuring the new snail mail stamp set from Trinity Stamps. And I actually cut it out and colored it in off screen, and you could see in the beginning here some of the Copic markers that I used for this card or this project. And I love how this turned out. To create a little bit more interest on this pink background, I took some white linen ink spray from Dilutions and I heat set it with my heat tool from Wow. And after all of this ink was dry, you can see that I will foam mount all of these cute snails on top of this pink cardstock. And I love how this turned out. I think this color combination really speaks to me, and I really like how it turned out actually. And this is something, I don't know if you had this problem, but every time I create like a pattern paper, as I did for this card, I lay them all out and I love how it looks. And then I go to foam mount or just to put adhesive on the backside of my images. Then everything it just doesn't fit the perfect way it did in the beginning. So I don't know if you have this problem and if you have a good solution for it. It would be kind of fun if you could give me some tips on how to do it, because this is really frustrating. I think it turned out okay, but it wasn't, I really like how it looked when I had it all laid out in the beginning here. Of course I could take a photo with my mobile phone. That could actually work, but I'm a little bit lazy, I think. I don't like taking the extra time just to take that photo and then go back to it. I don't know. So please leave me a comment down below if you have any good tips for me. That is, since I am so lazy, I would love a easy tip. So I just cut out the snail mail and foam mounted that and used my Wink of Stella. It's a glitter pen, and coated the packages and all the hearts. And I will turn my mobile phone on here, the flashlight on it, so you just could see the sparkle that it creates. Love how this turned out, and I love how easy and fast this card was. And to embellish it a little bit more, I used a new to me sequin pack from Trinity Stand called Love is in the Air, and it is absolutely adorable. I actually picked out some of the sequins in this pack that I thought was perfect for this color combo. And that finished off this card. If you like it, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!